Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to download and install your MySQL Workbench. So let's go ahead and download MySQL installer. So you can just click MySQL Windows Installer 64-bit. Then go ahead with the dev.mysql.com. Okay, so this is 32-bit, but I think they have mentioned that this supports 64-bit as well. So this should say this supports for both 32-bit and 64-bit. So we are gonna go ahead and download the 32-bit. So this is a 400 MB file, so this is gonna take some time. Let's go ahead and download it, and in meanwhile I'll show you. Yes. So if you go ahead and go to information, so this shows that you can download both 32-bit and 64-bit using the 32-bit installer, which is a good thing, but it's quite misleading. But you can see that there's a note here that says you can install both of them. So let's wait for our MySQL MSI to just get downloaded. This is actually pretty fast, so we are almost halfway done. Let's go ahead and MySQL requires quite a bit of prerequisites. We can directly download them in the wizard that's shown in this MSI. We're gonna go ahead and see them, but it's good if you already have Visual Studio and some other things, but we're gonna see what all we need. So okay, it's almost done. Let's go ahead and open in our folder. Gonna double click it. So we got our wizard preparing to install MySQL installer community. Let me just drag it here. Okay, so just go ahead and click yes, you want to install MySQL. So this is gonna go ahead and give you a list of tools or softwares that you need for your MySQL to run. Oh, we got another permission thing. Yes, we're going to launch the installer, and yes, so here's the MySQL installer wizard. So we're gonna just stick to default, the developer default as of now. We're gonna just go ahead and click next. Click next. You can just do MySQL for Visual Studio. We don't need connector Python yet. Yes. So you can go ahead and click execute. So this will go ahead and install all of these. So these are the prerequisites that I was telling about. So we have MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, Notifier, Excel, Shell, Router, and connectors, and documentation. So if you already have a MySQL version, I recommend just go to add or uninstall programs and get rid of all of them, because they all will still stay somewhere in the system. So you can get rid of them and begin the process again. So I'm just gonna pause this video for now. I'm gonna make sure this all is completed installation, and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, so we are done with the installation of other prerequisites. So let's just press next, next. So this is going to be on 3306. So just go ahead and enable name pipe and shared memory. You can just press next. So here you can give your root password. You can choose any. I guess there may be some requirements like the length and everything. We'll just find out. Okay, password sent this week, but I guess it should work. Okay, MySQL 80. Okay, execute. Initial database, it says it may take a long time, so let's just wait for it. Okay, so everything is done. Let's go ahead and click finish. Click next. You can just give your password, press check, so it accepted. You can just check if there are any other features needed, running scripts. Let's just wait till this has been executed. Okay, finish. I guess the installation is complete. You can go ahead and click finish. So this will just copy your logs. But yeah, so this is your SQL shell. You'll also get your MySQL Workbench. So here's your Workbench. So you can go ahead and click this one. So this will start your instance. You can put your password here, and that's about it. Your MySQL Workbench is up. You can just add any tables you want. You can add any data you want. So we can check that in our next video. But this is all about SQL Workbench installation. It's really easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.